Welcome to the Harisi channel. Today I'll tell you how to install the Opera browser on the AGM H6. First open the Play Store, press search twice and enter Opera. Here is your Opera browser, click install. And now just wait. Now it's installed, let's click open. Now just have to go through the setup process. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the Harisi channel for videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.